Hello, this is Cassandra Graner-Onco from the Music and Entertainment Department of the De La Salle University Dasmariñas 95.9 Green FM. Going to be roaming around the university and ask some students and organizations about the upcoming or ongoing Students Week.
Hi guys, I'm Denise Laylaison. I'm from Accounting and Enrichment Society and I'm currently taking up BSM, Management Accounting, and I'm on my 4th year po. Ayan. So, currently ongoing po yung aming merchandise booth wherein it's entitled Merchandises 2025, Establishing Your Lasallian Identity. So, pwede po kayong pumunta sa GFH Kubo up until November 18 po kami. And nagbebenta kami ng merchandises like ID lanyards, pins, and stickers. And meron din kaming ID card holders.
Hi everyone, I am Renee Julia D. Garcia from BSA and I'm currently a graduating student. Kaya po nadaanan po namin yung poster po nung sa opera and we find it interesting din po kasi parang pinaghandaan din po ng mga students. Kasi kung marami din pong mga events, meron po kami nakita na sa marketing po and meron pong karaoke, so baka i-try din po namin ng friends.
This is Cashley Fernandez from BHM2.
Angela Chopio po from BHM2.
So for the CPHM, magkakaroon kami ng the General Assembly and 25th Anniversary Celebration sa November 8.
Hello po, I'm Joseph Gabriel Villan po from BCS21, Computer Science second year. Ang in-expect ko po mag-enjoy po yung mga students sa mga booth po and sa mga events ng iba't ibang organs. So, abangan ko rin po yung mga events po ng PAG po, which is yung bawat piyesa and yung opera po.
So, I'm Alexandra Villa and I'm from Computer second year AB Communications. Siyempre, I'm feeling very excited, lalo na sa mga events ng PAG. Ayan. So, sana i-join kayo sa mga events ng PAG. Lalo sa events namin, CIFRA. Ayan.